A user provided me a link for a TVP7002 component that he actually found on Samacsys and included the step model, and was asking me how to associate the step model with the actual component. The first thing you need to do is that you need to load that library and convert it into a managed library, which I click on library and create managed library. You'll notice that once the managed library is created, the column for 3D packages now gets populated with the exact same name as the footprint. I right click that 3D package and I select edit. Now this brings up the package editor, which brings up a default 3D model, which is always a gray box the size of the component. Now I'm going to select upload step file and navigate to find the step model that was actually provided by Samacsys. Once I select the step model, commonly you may have to use the adjustment tools to line it up correctly. So let's see if this one lines up. In this case, it lined up perfectly, so I do not have to make any adjustments. Now I'll go ahead and click OK and provide some annotation in case I have to refer to this component at some point. Now that I've created made the association with the step model, now I have to create a new version of the library. That way it synchronizes the managed library, which basically consists of the local copy of the library synchronized with the cloud-based library, which is on library.io. And I do that by selecting library and select the option create new version. Once the library actually synchronizes, I'll notice that I'll have a thumbnail for the 3D model when I select the 3D package from the 3D package column. I'll go ahead and double click on the device as well. That way you could see the footprint, the symbol, as well as the associated step model. Now this component is ready to be used in your design. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.